Okay, so we're the Duhrz, and we're gonna sing to you because we're amazing and we're awesome.
That's right.
Okay, so I'm the original gangsta Duhr.
I'm the Duhr. And I'm Hothead Duhr. You see, I'm so stupid I forgot my own name.
It's kind of hard to remember your name when you're cool like us.
Woo! Totally.
Alright, so we're gonna sing What Hurts the Most to you because we're amazing. Like, look at these faces. Aren't they adorable?
Okay,
Ha ha ha! No, you're not funny. Okay, so, here we go. I'm just gonna get the video up. Really hope you like it.
Yeah.
I can take the rain on the roof of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then and just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you still upsets me. There are days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say, and watching you walk away, never knowing, what could have been, seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do.
How are we doing so far?
It's hard to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. It's hard to force that smile when I see our old friends and I'm alone. It's harder getting up, getting dressed, living with this regret, but I know if I could do it over, I could trade, give away all the words that I saved in my heart, left unspoken. What hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say, watching you walk away, never knowing, what could have been, not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you still upsets me. There are days every now and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most was being so close, having so much to say, watching you walk away, never knowing, what could have been, not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. Hurts the most, what hurts the most, much to say, watching you walk away, never knowing, what could have been, not seeing that loving you is what I was trying to do. Okay, so now that you heard us sing, and I guess you obviously realized that we are amazing and cool, and yeah, we just want to say how much we love each other and explain to you that honestly we do love you guys just for watching this video and hearing how amazing we sound together.
Oops.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you!
We honestly love you.
Retarded hearts.
Retardo hearts.
Oh, wait. We got one more thing to show you. We all made gingerbreads.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, they're like wicked awesome.
Yeah, well, I have a demented snowman, so please don't laugh at it. It's a little like Duhr. Want to see him? Okay, this is my demented snowman figure, Sticky. And he walks, yeah, and this is Gabby's. Yeah,
Sophia ate hers.
hers was more demented.
Yes.
Looks like a ghost with eyes in the mouth.
He didn't survive. So we're all just gonna say goodbye.
See ya.
The 5 of us.
Bye.
Peace. Later.